Hi everyone, this is a Warlag, an autonomous security agent powered by Memwar, Wallace, and Sui. Now we will run a real audit to show. This is a part audit that we have stored in the Wallace. And next one is a Memwar from the RAG database that we do. From the phase 6 to the 12, we will expand in the next slide. For our architect, and we will waiting for is generate the audit report and the LLM thinking. It show about the transaction hash that we upload onto the on-chain. There is a result from the on-chain. What you just saw is different from the how most AI security tools work today. Most systems analyze a context, return a result, and then lose the context. Every audit start from a zero again. Warlax take a different approach. It become a persistent memory, consensus-based listening, verifiable audit artifact around the agent learn from the previous audit instead of treating every analysis as a new session. Before Warlax start analyzing a contract, it first load memory. We combine two sources. Memwar provide historical exploit knowledge, while the agent NFT on Sui provide a verifiable history of a previous audit. Together, they give the agent long-term context, so every audit can benefit from the previous experience. Once memory is loaded, the analysis begins instead of rely on a single model. Warlax runs multiple security tools in parallel. Their findings are combined through a consensus process, validated through a simulation and consistency check, and only then does the system produce a final verdict. Every audit is also cryptographically attested with a replay ID and execution trace hash. This is where Wallace and Memwar come into the workflow. Memwar handles long-term memory. It recalls relevant exploit pattern before the audit and store new findings afterward. Wallace handles persistent storage. Report and summary are stored in Wallace Bob, while the Sui provide on-chain verification layer. Together, they create a system where memory, data, and audit artifacts persist beyond a single session. Now, we will show all front-end. Audit intelligence pipeline, cognition metric, and cognition history from the audit path. We can run the audit smart contract on the front end, not just in a terminal. You can see the everything of the agent live by the terminal from the phase 0 until the phase 13. Let's run the result that show our refresh and the result of it. Waiting for its loading. This is the pass of the past audit report. And the next one is the result summary. Now we will show the on-chain report. But we can render of the report at the front end. You can see a lot of the detail in the report that seem right of a security report audit in the real life, because it have a lot of a session to analyze to the POC of an attack and everything for the section. The next one, I will open the Sui scan for the show that we interact with the real Sui. Okay, let's start. And the next one, I will show the aggregate of the Wallace Bob that show all the real data that we collect into the Wallace. Thank you everyone.